Tony from Tony's Cabin. I gotta clean my chimney. It's gonna be 50 degrees out, so today's a great day to do it. It's not cold out, which is a good thing. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm gonna grab my hammer to open the bottom of the big pipe, and then I'm gonna take my chimney cleaner and clean that out really, really well. I'm not going to show you the inside because it'll take too long, but I'm going to show you how I do this. I will leave the outside open, and I'll go inside and clean those pipes out, and then I'll close it all up. But I'll show you what I have to do to get it clean and see how dirty it is. You'll see all this stuff come out. And I'll show you up close when I'm done with this how much creosote comes out. So please, please, please clean your pipes. This is how fires start. This is why I'm cleaning this today. Okay, peeps? So I'm going to get busy. I suggest wear the goony goos so you don't get the soot in your eyes. Whoa. So, as you can see, it's filthy dirty. Nasty, nasty job. I'll show you how much soot that come out. Quite a bit. It's relatively clean and safe right now. So people, I'm going to let you go. This is Tony from Tony's Cabin with Sammy the Wonder Dog on a very foggy day in the center of hell. Not really, but anyway, tell the truth, shame the devil. Peace out. Please like and subscribe. I like to thank all my subscribers, new ones, old ones. Please comment, and if you got any extra suggestions for me, please let me know. All right, talk to you people later. Bye now.